Hello, dear students of 12th class. Today we are to discuss the first chapter of Vistas. The name of the first chapter of Vistas is the third level. During the discussion, we shall be trying to find out why this chapter is named as third level. Now the main characters. Mr. Charlie is the main character, is the protagonist of the chapter. Mr. Charlie was a patient of, he was psychiatric actually. He nourishes some illusion or the other all the time. He was in the habit of stamp collection. He had this habit from his father, from his grandfather. Actually, what is the process of stamp collection? When new stamp is released, the person who is interested in the stamp collection goes to the post office. He purchases the new stamp. After purchasing the new stamp, he takes the envelope. He sticks the new stamp in the envelope. Then he writes his own address on the envelope. Inside the envelope, he puts the blank papers. Then he puts the envelope with the new release stamp over it. He put that in the letter box. From the letter box, the postman takes out the mail and he stamp. That is the stamp of the post office. The stamp has the date, month and year. This is stamp of the post office confirms the fact that on this particular date, on this particular year and month, the particular stamp was released. And those who are indulged in the stamp collecting, they would have the collection of stamps in this way. So, actually what happens, let us suppose the new stamp was released. The stamps are of contemporary society. Let us suppose the stamp released has the picture of Gandhi. And so this picture of Gandhi will remind persons the time of Gandhi, when he was the follower of non-violence. Or there is a picture of Ram Raj. A stamp of Ram Raj is there. And this picture of Ram Raj will remind persons of the time of Ram. Ram means Ram Raj, वैठे त्रिलोका, हर्षित भय गए सब शोका, बैर न कर काहू सन कोई, राम प्रताप विषमता खोई, दैहिक दैविक भौतिक तापा, राम राज नहीं काहू ही व्यापा, समुंदर करहि परस्पर प्रीति, चलहि स्वधर्म निरत श्रुत नीति, चारहु चरण धर्म जग माही, पूर रहा सपनेहु अघुनाही, अल्प मृत्यु नहीं कवनेहु पीरा, सब सज्जन सब विरध शरीरा, नहीं दरिद्र कोई दुखी न दीना, नहीं कोई अवध न लक्षण हीना. Means everybody were happy during the Ram Raj. When one sees the stamp of Ram Raj, he goes in the past and claim that the past time is the better time. Why does one go to the past? And stamp collection helps one goes to the past. Because in the past there was a Ram Raj, one thinks. People were happy, one thinks. So he thinks that there is a Ayodhya and I should go to Ayodhya. In Ayodhya there is a Ram Raj. In the same way in this chapter there is a Galswar. Galswar is the place. His grandfather would say that it is a better place. People are happy, they are rejoicing in some way or the other. They are in the happy mood all the time. They are playing with the musical instrument. There is no suffering among the people. There is a Ram Raj total. So Charlie would make a plan that, what was the plan he would make? That I will go to Galsburg. Galsburg means Ayodhya. He would think that there is a Ram Raj. His friend, who was the psychiatric doctor, Sam, would say, this is the dream He is an escapist. Waking dream, wish fulfillment. This is the waking dream, wish fulfillment. There is no third level. Actually, what happens and why the collection is there, why the association between the third level and the Ramraj or Galsberg place is there. Once upon a time, Charlie was coming. He wanted to have a ticket. There are two levels at the station, railway station. Two levels are there. Even the director of the railway station would say there are two. He would claim that there are two levels only. From the first level, the super fast trains would run. From the second level, passenger trains would run. But Charlie would say there is a third level also. The train from the third level goes to the past, goes to the Galsberg, where the people are very, very happy. It is nothing but his imagination. And he would drive pleasure in the imagination. What might have happened actually? One day he was in the tunnel. He got lost his way. By the way, his head struck with the tunnel. He fell down. Physically he was lying there, but mentally he kept going inside the tunnel. Mentally, his mind was at work. Physically he was injured. He fell down. He was unconscious. He was not in the awakening state. Unconsciously he was dreaming. His mind was at work. His mind kept going and mind reached the tunnel. There the dim lights were there. There he found the scene of 18th century. It is the 21st century or 20th century. In the 20th century he reached the time in the past 18th century. He could see the heaps of newspaper. Those newspapers were the newspapers of 18th century. So people having the new special dresses of the 18th century. They are the long collars. And now he wanted to have a ticket to go to the Galsberg. He went to the rail booking window. When he put the money before the booking clerk was angry. Hey mister, this is not the currency, this is the fake currency. When he could see the heaps of the old currency, he saw that here the only old currency was at work. My currency is the new currency, it is not at work. He returned from there. Then he got consciousness. He got awakened. He returned home. Since then he nourished the idea that there is an existence of the third level. From the third level, trains to the past goes, and he must go to the Galsberg where the people are very happy. His grandfather would say. He withdrew money, about $200 or $400, I forgot the amount he purchased. He withdrew the money from the bank account, new currency, and he spent the new currency. From the new currency he could purchase the old currency. The old currency was less in quantity than the new currency. Since then he was trying his best to find the third level, but since we know well that there is no existence of the third level, it is only in the imagination of Charlie, so he was not successful. His friend Sam would say that it is an escapist. Such type of people are unable to face the present and hard realities of time. They feel insecure in the present time. Actually, mind is like a pendulum. It goes from future to past to future through the present, but it does not stay in the present. Same thing was in the case of Charlie. His mind, because of the reading, because of the stamp collection, he was generally in the past. He would think of the past. He would think that his grandfather would say the past time was the better time. His grandfather would say that in the past people were happy, so he would reach in the past. And when he reached in the past, his friend Sam would say it is a psychiatric problem. He is suffering. And now this is the up to now. Then, as it was a psychiatric problem, एक song goes in this way, ख्वाबों में ही हो चाहे मुलाकात तो होगी, बीते हुए लम्हों की कसक साथ तो होगी. ख्वाब, when the past thinking gives him pleasure, and this also reminds me of the fact that why do people intoxicate? नशा क्यों करते हैं लोग नशा इसलिए करते हैं. नशा का मतलब जो वर्तमान के तनावों का, दुख का नाश कर दे, वो नशा. मुझे पीने का शौक नहीं, पीता गम मिटाने को, तेरी यादें भुलाने को. तो नशा वो लेते हैं जो एस्केपिस्ट होते हैं, जो वर्तमान की चुनौतियों का सामना नहीं कर पाते, वो नशा करते हैं. वही चार्ली का हाल था. दिस वॉज द पार्ट ऑफ इंटॉक्सिकेशन, टू गो इन द थर्ड लेवल, to think that the past time was the better time. Those who are unable to live in the present time effectively, those who has the problem in the present time, to escape from the problems, they jump into the past, which was the better. They want to enjoy the past. They can't see that life has flowers, life has rose, then thorn also. They want to have the rosy life, not the thorny life. But inevitably, the duels are there in the life. When there is pleasure, certainly pain will also be there. When there is dark, there will be night too. When there is a night, there will be day too. Then this goes on. These are the duels of the world. But people like Charlie want to enjoy the bright side of the thing. They want to enjoy what is enjoyable, what is full of pleasure for them. One day what happened? His family members were also suspect about the thinking of Charlie, and Charlie wanted to purchase 2 tickets for the third level, one for himself and another for the wife, and people would suspect over him. Then all of a sudden, what happened? Sam disappeared from the scene. Sam was not anywhere. After 2 weeks of his disappearance, Charlie received a letter that was addressed to Charlie, and this was from Sam. Sam has written the letter to Charlie. The letter says, Charlie, you were right, I was wrong. I have found out the third level. Here the people are rejoicing, they are happy. And Charlie, don't leave your circumstances, don't leave. Try to find the third level up to the time when you get the third level. Don't leave your effort. Continuously keep finding, searching the third level. I have reached there. This is the letter of Sam to Charlie. Now the question is, what do you conclude by the letter of Sam to Charlie? I have 2 or 3 conclusions. One conclusion, actually this was the prestige issue of Charlie, that there is a third level. And Sam, who was the doctor, psychiatric doctor, he was the only problem before him. He would say that he is a mad, he is a silly man, he is an escapist. So, knowingly, Charlie might have killed him, and Charlie might be having his own hand. It was the hand of Charlie in the disappearance of Sam, because it was a prestige issue. He wanted to prove that he was right. In order to prove that he was right, he was to do everything he could. He could go to any extent in order to prove that he was right. So, first conclusion, and he might have written the letter himself, because he is having the old letters, old stamp, blank paper inside, and he might have written the letter on the name of Sam. And he was displaying the letter to the people so that he can justify the people that I was right that there is a third level. If there is a third level, why he couldn't reach the third level? If there is a third level, as the letter of Sam indicates, why Sam did not suggest him the way to reach the third level immediately? Second reason, I say, about the third level existence, Sam reached there. What do you conclude by the letter of Sam to Charlie? there is a picture क्योंकि in the picture क्योंकि सलमान खान पागल होता है। अब वो पागल की हालत में भर्ती किया जाता है, वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है। अब जो डॉक्टर था उस पूरे अस्पताल का, पागल खाने का डॉक्टर था उसकी बेटी करीना कपूर। एक्चुअली जो सलमान खान पागल हुआ था उसकी एक लवर थी, उसके खो जाने की वजह से, मर जाने की वजह से वो पागल हो गया। और करीना कपूर ने उसको ऐसा ही प्यार दिया, उसको अपने साथ रखा, घुमाती थी, और जब उसे लगा कि करीना कपूर है मेरी चहेती, तो वो ठीक हो गया। अब सलमान खान ठीक हो गया तो उसी दरमियान क्या हुआ, करीना कपूर सलमान खान के प्यार में सेट हो गई। अब उसका भाई भी डॉक्टर था, उसी में जूनियर डॉक्टर था। अब वो रिलीज होने वाला था, उसके भाई वगैरह आए थे। अब चूंकि उसको पता लग गया सलमान खान या करीना कपूर, उसकी जो लड़की है डॉक्टर की, सलमान खान को प्यार करती है, वो नहीं चाहता था ऐसा, तो उसने जबरदस्ती उसको पकड़ के दोबारा उसको इंजेक्शन लगा दे, पागल कर दिया। उसने खूब झड़ा किया डॉक्टर को, ऐसे पकड़ के डॉक्टर को अधमरा सा कर दिया और यहाँ से उसकी नसें तोड़ दी, नेक में से उसकी नसें तोड़ दी सलमान खान ने। और डॉक्टर ने उसको इंजेक्शन लगा दिया, फिर उसे कोमा में ले आया। अब उसके भाई ने देखा मेरा भाई कोमा में चला गया, अरे पागल ठीक था, कोमा में जाने वाले व्यक्ति का जीवन क्या मरना, उसको उसने तकिया से उसे सफोकेट करके मार दिया। अब करीना कपूर ने देखा कि जिसको वो चाहती थी वो मर गया है, तो उसके वियोग में वो भी पागल हो गई। उसको भी वही बेड मिला 36 नंबर का जो सलमान खान था, उस पर जो पागल था। अब प्रश्न है करीना कपूर कैसे पागल हो गई? बिकॉज ऑफ कंपनी इज इन्फेक्शियस। व्हेन सैम वाज इन द कंपनी ऑफ चार्ली एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ इन्फेक्शन। अब ये देखा, ये कोविड-19 चल रहा है, कोरोना वायरस कितना इन्फेक्शियस है, थोड़े भी कांटेक्ट में आए फैल जाता है लोगों को। अब कोई पागल के कांटेक्ट में आए तो ही इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बिकम पागल। इफ यू कम इन कांटेक्ट विद ए खजेला, यू आर लाइकली टू बिकम खजेला। कोरोना वायरस चल ही रहा है, तो करीना कपूर भी पागल हो गई, उसी बेड पर लाया गया। सो it is the role of the company. When Sam would live in the company of Charlie, who was psychiatric, who had the problem, who would go in the past, living too long in the company of Charlie, he might be also become the insane. He also became mad. He also became pagal. It is my second conclusion. So prestige issue is the main thing. Thank you very much. I hope you might have heard it carefully, and you will be making the notes out of what I spoke. Thank you very much.